In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Volvo XC90 located at the base of the windshield. We're going to lift up our wiper arm. And right at the back section here, there's going to be a little tab. And there's one that replicates it right on the other side. Two little pinch tabs. You're going to push those in together and you're going to support this and pull the wiper out towards you. Now get and rest this down carefully. You want to go ahead and start by matching up the wiper blade that you're replacing. The shorter one goes on the passenger side on this vehicle. Now you want to go ahead and remove this portion from the wiper itself. I like to simply grab the insert that's pivoting, just put your finger underneath, twist and pop that up and out. That pops right off of the center post here. Now the next thing you want to do is we want to take this section here, we need to unlock it from this unit. Now if we flip this towards you, there's going to be a little arrow here that's going to be facing out to the passenger side, and then there's going to be a little gap back here on that section. You notice two tabs, one here and one here. You want to pinch in these two tabs and push this back, and it unlocks this from the base. Now I'm going to take this here, going to insert it so that the arrow is facing matching this. There are two tabs on the leading edge that drops down. Insert it and pull it forward to lock it in. It fits in there nice and flush. I'm going to grab this unit here. Has two little tabs on the back, very similar to the one that we had removed. And we want to line this up. There's a little plastic pin in the center that lines up. We're going to line this up and snap that onto it. Now we're going to take this and slide this onto the wiper arm itself. Insert, slide it in. And push it, and the two little tabs will come out on the back side here, securing this in place. Last step, slide off of the protective strip off of the wiper blade itself and set it down. We're going to repeat this process for the driver's side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.